I want to tell you a story about recycling. Why should I recycle? In my family, we recycle garbage so they can be used again. I have a friend that says we didn't always recycle, we used to throw everything away. On our way to school, we always pass Mr. Jones' house. Mr. Jones is our teacher. One day we saw him putting a special box with cans, bottles, and papers by the gate. What are you doing? I asked. This box is for recycling. All these things are taken away and used again, said Mr. Jones. What's recycling? I asked. I'll explain at class, said Mr. Jones. In class, Mr. Jones asked us what we did with our trash. We put it in the garbage can, said one of my friends. It's just old garbage, said the other student. Mr. Jones said garbage contained lots of useful things that can be recycled or used again. I said, what should I recycle? Mr. Jones took the class to a recycling center. It had separate containers for bottles, cans, plastic, clothes, and paper. What do you think happens to all the glasses that goes in here? Asked Mr. Jones. It all gets broken down to make new shiny bottles. And guess what happens to all the cans that go in here? Asked Mr. Jones. They get melted down to make new metal things, such as bikes and scooters. Wow! And what about the paper and plastic that goes in here? Asked Mr. Jones. The paper gets shredded and used to make books and comics. One of the boys said, all these things come from garbage we just throw away. This plastic can be used to make all kinds of things, including clothes. You might be wearing some, said Mr. Jones. I said, so I waste. Recycling is kind to nature. It saves money and it's fun.